2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Learning numbers makes it fun. You can read from 1 to 10. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Show the numbers on your hand. Write the numbers on the sand. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Write the numbers on the wall. Pick the numbers from the bowl. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Don't you wanna sing along? Learning numbers makes you strong. Say it! 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Show the numbers on the door. Write the numbers on the shore. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. See the numbers on the floor. Mark the numbers on the floor. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Don't you wanna sing along? Learning numbers makes you strong. Say it! 3 and 4.